What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to prove this trig identity, cosine theta divided by secant theta minus sine theta divided by cotan theta equals to cosine times cotan theta minus tan theta divided by cosecant theta. I can start from the right hand side in this case maybe. So we have cosine theta times cotan, which is cos divided by sine theta minus sine over cosine divided by 1 over sine theta. Then it will be, the sine is going to go there, it's going to be sine theta times cosine theta multiplied by cosine theta divided by sine theta minus sine squared theta divided by cosine theta, because this sine multiplied by this one as well. So then this sine and sine cancel out. It will be cosine theta times cosine theta minus sine theta divided by cosine theta times sine theta. Then we have cosine theta. Instead of one of these cosine theta, I can write secant theta. And here I can write sine theta. And here is, this one is equals to tan theta or inverse of cotan theta. So I can write it as cotan theta. So as you see here, that's equal to the left hand side of this equation. And that's the final answer. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.